Meaning of debit card.
Debit card.
Debit card.
Debit card.
Debit card. A debit card is a payment card that allows you to make purchases and withdraw cash using funds from your bank account. Unlike a credit card, a debit card does not allow you to borrow money. Instead, the amount of each transaction is immediately deducted from your available balance. Debit cards are commonly used for everyday purchases such as groceries and gas, as well as online shopping and bill payments. They offer a convenient and secure way to manage your money without having to carry large amounts of cash.